When sweet Molly Ryan declares that aeroplane riding she dares, her sweetheart began to think of a plan where they could be wed overhead. So he said, I will get an airship right away, a neat one to hold about two. Then smiling with joy, she said to her boy, you're the captain and I am the crew. Take me up, up, up with you, dearie, away up to the sky. Sail around the moon for a quiet boom, just to pass on you and I. Let us float, float, float through the clouds and just have a lot of fun. We'll go up, up, up as two and then come down as one. Take me up along with you, me darling, do, and let us go away into a latitude about as near as anybody that has ever reached the sky. We can sail around the lunar planet, making love and hugging every time it can, with nobody in the aeroplane except the parson, you and I. We could float a little, flying boat a little, while we wrote a little, sent it note a little, subsequent to passing through the clouds and having lots of fun. We'll go up into the sweetest sky of blue, and on ascending we will figure up as two, but on returning to old terra firma we will be as one. Now Molly goes up every day, while Barney, her sweetheart, must stay alone down below where messages go of wireless love to his dove far above. And then Molly replies, don't you see, just three letters C, Q and D. Their meaning is clear, it's come quickly dear. Then he answers, oh please wait for me. Take me up, up, up with you, dearie, away up to the sky. Sail around the moon for a quiet boom, just to pass on you and I. Let us float, float, float through the clouds and just have a lot of fun. We'll go up, up, up as two and then come down as one. Take me up along with you, me darling, do, and let us go away into a latitude about as near as anybody that has ever reached the sky. We can sail around the lunar planet, making love and hugging every time it can, with nobody in the aeroplane except the parson, you and I.